Hello family, friends, and YouTube. Today's March 20th and Bluebell has 528 miles on her. Still brand new, still learning the nuances. Thought I'd go out for a little quick ride here on this windy but nice day. It says 69 degrees in Tennessee. I'd like to share with you, for those of you who don't know, in my description I always provide my email address, and in case you happen to be in town, you can always stop by and you know, give me a call, text me, email me, and we can meet up somewhere. And that's what happened just 2 weeks ago. A bearded biker was coming through to visit a relative, and he happened to find my email address in the description. He emailed me, said he would be visiting, and wanted to know if I wanted to stop by. So I did that. We had a nice little visit. Showed me a few little things about his bike. He has exactly the same bike I have, except he added the trunk. And for those of you who are just joining the channel, you know that due to my knees, that's why I can't have a trunk. But I did make some modifications to the bike that I want to share. But also got some ideas from the bearded biker. He showed me how he put his battery tender plug on the side of the motorcycle. Looks like it came that way. I thought that was neat. So I'm entertaining that idea. He even was so kind to send me the links and everything on where he got all the parts from Amazon and how he did it. And I thought that was pretty nice. Again, this is a community of Gold Wing riders. So, of course, if you happen to be passing through Clarksville, you just let me know. I'll be glad to come out and meet up with you. I think that's what we do together as a community. Share ideas, fellowship. But what I wanted to do, make a short video here, and I wanted to show you that I'm getting the bike ready for taking longer trips. And I put a rear I guess you call it a luggage rack on the back. I will show that to you here in a minute. And I put the saddlebags, the saddlebag lid holder, the lid organizers, and the bags. Of course, on the left side of my motorcycles, the bags in the bag, I keep the camera equipment. The right side, I will be keeping travel equipment like tire repairs, tire pump, emergency flashers, things like that. And those what the bags will be for. And then, because the luggage rack that I put on the back will hold a lot more weight because it's mounted directly to the frame, I will be able to add a bag depending on how long I'm going to be gone. I do plan eventually to ride to Area 51. It's always been a goal of mine, so I'm going to eventually do that. Probably going to do the Sturgis trip eventually, but for right now I'm just going to do some short runs, share with you a few trips to Nashville, a few other areas, and until I get ready to go. Then I'm going to start going to some of the cities and some of the locations. I'll take you on a journey through some of the Tennessee sites. I will definitely go back to the Tail of the Dragon up in East Tennessee. I will do that. Last time I rode that on a Suzuki Hayabusa, and it happened to rain that day, so I rode it in the rain. So I'd like to ride it on the Goldwing just to see what it's going to be like. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to go to this church parking lot, and I'm going to give you a glance of Bluebell and show you the bag organizers. Now, of course, I will provide a link to everything I described to you, and everything I show you, I will provide a link in the description so that you can view those videos yourself. Let's get right here in this parking lot. I'm going to put the bike on the center stand just so I can keep everything even. Let me go ahead and turn it off. It's not a video on how to do the center stand. Alright, let me open up my visor. As you can see, there's Bluebell. She's got her windshield, which that's the best investment I've made. And, you know, for comfort, I'm good with the seat. Got her a new shoe for her side kickstand right there, and of course you Loctite those screws once you put them on. Loctite them so they don't vibrate loose. I got excuse me, I have the oil dipstick extender coming from Traction Dynamics. I don't have it yet, but you can see the rack I put on the back. It's still settling in, the rubber here, but this can hold a lot of weight. Underneath here originally was just the fiberglass or plexiglass, whatever these are made out of, and it wouldn't hold any real weight. And there are my trunk organizers, or saddlebag organizers, and the bag, and the same thing on the right side. Now, as you can see, I didn't do an installation video, but I do have links to them. But for those that want to see an installation video, I'll do one on these bags. These bags are roughly $50 a bag. It's $100 or something for a bag that doesn't fit exactly to the contours of your trunk, but at least room in the front and the side. There, that's an installation video right there on how to do that. So cruise man, I'm coming for you. Anyway, as you can see, these organizers are nice. I haven't set them up yet, but again, the right side is going to have everything to do with roadside assistance and traveling. And then here's my luggage rack, which I will be able to put a lot of overnight clothes, bags, laptop, computer, all those stuff, because I don't ride two up. So I have all this area, all this surface area to put things, and then with this extra support here, I'm able to put heavier items. And then on this side, of course, this will be all my camera equipment, and then motorcycle registrations and stuff like that. Well, that's right, I forgot there's a little trick. Just slowly push it. I will eventually transfer all that here to where there will be nothing in here, in the compartment here, except for the phone. So what I'm going to do. Alright, so I just thought I would share that with you and show you some of the things that I've added. They're nothing dramatic. I know many of you are used to seeing a lot of dramatic stuff being added, a lot of lights and stuff like that. But speaking of which, on these lights, I'm going to have to, I haven't ridden the bike at night, and I'm not comfortable with the current design of it for lighting. I will be adding some side lights, some of the cowl lights on the side with the sequential turn signals. I have to put something on the side of this bike because I'm lit up really well in the front. I'm barely lit up in the back, which I've got some remedies for that. But that the sides are vulnerable. To me, there's not enough light. I don't care about the reflectors, I want light. Let me close my visor up. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add some more lighting to the side before I start going out at night, and definitely before I travel on the road. Here's my little turn, my little curve. But I just thought I would share this video, a short little video to show you what I've added. I'm still making progress towards getting ready to go out on the road. I eventually want to go see things. You know, I want to go to Area 51. I want to go to a few other places, and I'm going to do a lot of traveling eventually. Again, Bluebell only has now 530 miles, so it's brand new. Y'all that follow the channel remember that I did 242 miles in one trip, just to see what it would be like to, so that's 242 miles of those 530. So what I want to do is I just want to advance in the gear I need, where I get comfortable with the travel. I know that they have this recall, has to do with your serial number and your VIN number, and mine is one of the ones on the recall. I should be getting a letter in April, but I don't know. They said they have to look at it to check the numbers to make sure. So I don't know if they actually are going to have to do something with the fuel pump, but I'm not going to worry about it right now. I just don't want to go on a long trip or anything until they tell me whether or not it needs to be addressed. But anyway, I think that's as long as I wanted to make the video right now. I will talk to you more about some other things later, but for now, I want to thank you for watching, and have a great day.